So how do you connect and disconnect an Authenticator on Discord? So, so to start off, let's open up the application. Now here we just need to head over to our profile by clicking on the bottom right. Now here we just need to click on the settings on the top right. Next is to head over to account and scroll down until we see enable Authenticator app. Now here we need to log in with our password for this one. So after doing so, it would prompt you here where you would be asked to download an Authenticator app. Now for this video, I'm going to be using Google Authenticator. And if you know any Authenticator apps, you could use them. But for now, I'm just going to use Google Authenticator. So hit on next. Now here you would be given a two-factor authenticator code that you would need to copy and head over to the Authenticator app. So let's head over to Authenticator app. Now here we just need to click on the plus sign on the bottom right and enter a setup key. Now here we just need to paste it on your key. Paste that and we can type in anything we want here. So for this one, we're gonna go with Discord Authenticator. So click on add and you would be given a new authenticator, as you can see. Now if we head over to the Discord, we just need to get the code here on the bottom by holding on it, and it would give you the code as it automatically inputs it. So as you can see, 2FA is activated. Your Discord account is now protected with an extra layer of security. Now after that, we just need to proceed on done. And as you can see, we already have our authenticator enabled. Now, if you want to disconnect your authenticator app, you just need to click on remove authenticator and hit OK. Now here you would be prompted again to verify with your authenticator app. So we just need to head over to our authenticator and scroll down until we see the Discord authenticator or the one that you inputted, and we just need to copy that by holding on it. And as you can see, it has automatically verified and removed the Authenticator app. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.